In this video, we will show you how to convert SpayLater to GCash. If you guys want to get started with Shopee, you can use the links down in the description. First, open the Shopee app on your device and go to the Me tab. On the page, select Shopee Pay. To add money to your Shopee Pay account, select Top Up. Here, enter the amount you want to add. You can choose among the amount options on the screen, but you can also input your desired amount by tapping it in. After entering the amount you want to top up, click Payment. Now select Payment Center/eWallet. A list of payment centers and e-wallet options will appear. Choose GCash and click Confirm. If an email is connected to your Shopee account, it will automatically appear in the email field. You will be directed to the GCash login page to proceed with your payment. Here, enter the mobile number connected to your GCash account and click Next. Then, an authentication code will then be sent to your mobile via text or SMS. After that, enter the 6-digit code and click Submit Code. Log in by entering your 4-digit MPIN for GCash and tap Next. To finish the payment process, click Confirm and Pay. If your top-up is successful, a prompt telling you so will appear. This will allow you to amount you added to your Shopee Pay. So that's how to convert SpayLater to GCash. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Shopee. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.